Top one, and Mom looked at me and she was like, "Hey, do you need this bubble wrap or anything?"
We have bubble wrap. We're bubble wrap. Hold on. Okay. Look at this.
It's pink. It's so entertaining.
Let me try. Let me. Here, wait.
This works better. This probably won't work very well on carpet, but.
Oh my God. Save some.
It goes for your toes, Carolyn. Huh? It's pink bubble wrap. It goes for your toes.
No, it doesn't. What? There.
You know, I saw a bubble wrap calendar. Like
I know.
every day
You just like every single day you pop a bubble for the.
I saw that too.
It's amazing.
All right. Well.
It's like so easy. The only problem is holding yourself back from popping every single one when you first get it.
Oh my God, that hurts my ears. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait, let me try. Here.
Just twist it.
Oh no, I'm just getting the air out. I am woman. Hello.
You have lovely pores.
Shut up, no I don't. They're gross.
Just gonna keep popping this.
So yeah, we're chilling in Kim's room. With obnoxious bubble wrap. Are you quite done?
No.
I'm just kidding. You will never be done.
Kim likes bubble wrap.
Everyone likes bubble wrap. What was it?
You know what would happen if I just like got in this and I started
You
like
vile
hopping around?
git.
You vile git.
You vile git.
I just got in this and started like.
I'm gonna try. Give it.
You're hopping around in it.
How am I gonna do this? These freaking boots. Alright.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
I'm okay. I think I just might have broken my hip. I've fallen and can't get up. Son of a bitch. That was amazing.
Okay, here, I'm done with this one.
Well, of course you are.
Because you popped them all. This was giant bubble wrap.
Oh wait.
No, they're all
Oh. Hey, when you're like, oh, it's not done. Wait, yes, it is. Because it just fills up with air again.
Well, this is lame.
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
It was the best moment of my life.
What did you say about Jennifer again?
What?
Jennifer, you whore.
Jennifer! Wait. Oh, good morning, Jennifer. You devil worshipping whore!
What is that from? I forgot.
Shane Dawson.
Yes. Okay.
It was
Just making
about
sure.
Dawson's Creek or something.
He's so aggravating.
Yeah, he comes in as Jennifer's grandmother, and he's like, oh, good morning, Jennifer, you devil-worshipping whore! And then she's like, I hope you die and burn in hell, you fat old bitch! And she's like, I rebuke you, Satan! Oh! And then Jennifer like shoots, and then she's just like doing that and shooting fire out of her mouth, and the grandmother's just like, ah!
I'm a fire in my laser. Alright, so I really hope you can see me.
Oh.
Kind of low. Kind of short, you know. Butt in the face.
I'm so sorry.
It's not okay. So I guess we're here. Oh, this is not going to work. Come on here. You can just look at our bodies. That sounded horrible. Never mind. Yeah. So hey, kind of chilling here. I don't really know what to. I don't really know what to say right now.
I'm just gonna sit here behind you.
And do things, do evil things. I'm sure. So freaking evil. That really hurts, dude. I can't. My hip hurts.
It's like ear splitting up in here.
Really? Really?
Really?
I want to do the last bit. Where the hell did they all go?
There's so many bubbles.
I wonder how many are actually on here.
I wouldn't even bother counting them. I'm not even gonna bother counting this.
I counted those once. I think it's like 200. No. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Alright.
We've got 10 across.
She's good at math. Or counting. Either way.
What's 10 times 20?
Hell if I know. I failed algebra like 4 years in a row.
I'm gonna say it's like
It's not even
I
algebra.
want to say it's like 200 or something.
200?
No, it's not. It's
220? Is that it? No, no. No, it's like 2,000.
Calculator.
I don't know.
I can't even do 10 times 20. And it's one of those simple things where
Wait,
there's
no.
zeros.
Do it in your head. Hold on. Okay, wait. No, I'm not putting that much effort. I'm sorry. My brain will explode. I'll have an aneurysm and die.
It's a calculator, not calendar. I'm using my phone.
You ignorant bastard! So yeah.
Yeah, it's 200.
How long have we been recording?
I was right.
It's only been 7 minutes. Dang.
Only 7 minutes.
All my videos are like 12. I'm not kidding. And
Who
people,
has an attention span?
I don't. I just ramble on and on. And people actually watch them. Amazing. I know. I love them like so much.
You guys are amazing.
They are. Who should we say hi to? Hold on.
Peter. Peter. That's how we say your name.
Speaking of, hold up. Come here. What the hell? Fetch me that chair, woman. Please.
Sound like Gaston.
No, I didn't. Shut up. He's not rubbing off on me.
I didn't even say he was rubbing off on.
Shut
you,
up.
but
Shut up. How about you just shut up?
You just said it yourself.
How about you just shut up?
How about you shut up? Yeah, I just said that. I said it. What are you gonna do?
Well.
So does this mean I'm the man in the relationship now?
I'm gonna hit you. I'm not that mean. Yes, you're the man in this relationship, Kim Possible.
Let it be known throughout DFD land that Kim Possible is now the man in
Amelia's life. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. Let's do this. Alright, we need to like list every single one. It's gonna take a while. Alright. Peter! Go meet Peter at the park with a quarter pounder. A quarter pounder with the cheese and the pickles. Oh, okay. Then there's Marion, Mariel, and Tinkerbell. Hey.
Gaston.
Gaston, how you do?
Gastonia.
Gastonia. Why am I laughing? I don't even know. I'm not usually this happy. What's going on? Anywho.
Because you're with your man friend.
Oh, it's because I'm with my husband. I forgot. We're married. Yes. I want a divorce, like, right now.
No.
I get the
Woman,
kid.
I own you.
I get the kid. Custody battle is not going down.
I've had the kid for quite a while. You said you didn't want him.
I did not. She's a liar. Okay, well, anyways, so let's see. And then there's Tarzan. Oh, no. Sorry.
Tarzan.
No. If you're watching this, hey. I feel bad now. Okay, Shan. Hey, Shan. And Jessica Rabbit.